Hi folks, this is Ryan with BVLJOY, and here I have the fanciest coffee cup holder tree that I have ever seen, sold by the brand BVLJOY. I want to tell you a little bit about this. It's very coquette. Yes, I just said that. I know it's a word that is stuck in my head, and this is the perfect word to describe this coffee cup holder tree. So as you can see, it's very easy to use. It's just a tree, but it's made of very good wood, bamboo. So you can also check out on the details. It's very good. It's very handy. So you have to use a screwdriver below, and that's it. And you can also use it for your necklaces and anything else that you want to organize in your bedroom or in your bathroom. But here in the kitchen, a cup holder is a good option, right? So I have been very satisfied with it. It's given a coquette look to our kitchen, and I really like it. I highly recommend it to anyone that wants to have a coffee station like we have here. And it's going to look so nice that everyone is going to ask, where did you get that? But that's my point of view.